normally I find it incredibly difficult to be a morning person, but hey, today I am a morning person. I was awake at around a decent time. I wouldn't call it the best. I mean, I was awake at like 10 o'clock. But yes, it was only due to excitement. Laziness could not take over me today. Apologies for the noise, the background noise that y'all are hearing. I feel like Bandra is just as alive as I am today. Like, I don't know, there's like a hell of a lot of cars just like roaming around, and there is so many different people just like bustling around. And I don't know, man. Like, today the Monday blues just don't seem to exist. I guess when you defeat capitalism, like, you can always be happy, even on a Monday. But I am super excited today because I have planned a staycation, and it's been in plans for like around 2 months. I've been watching people like going around and like taking precautions, and I was like, okay, you know what, I can do the same. I can honestly take the utmost care of myself and make sure that I do not, you know. That being said, I do have to pack up, and even though I had a Saturday and a Sunday, I for some reason got. I did it. It's not like I didn't. It's not like I procrastinated the whole thing or anything. But like I did. But then for some odd reason, it's still not done. Like, I don't know. I feel like when you're actually packing things, you think that I will just take this, and that, and then when you actually get down to it, you end up going like, oh, but that, and that, and then you finally realize that one bag is not enough and you need 2 bags, and then you realize 2 bags, oh my god, why don't I make it 3? Maybe it'll just be convenient, but it's not convenient because you have to carry 3 bags now. Yeah, that was a bit of a rant, I'm sorry, but I'm not sorry actually, I'm really happy. So, okay. So I will see you guys in a bit. I will just go and get the rest of my stuff ready, and I will leave. Cool. Bye. So there's been a slight delay in plans. I am going to have to wait for a little while since I actually live 5 minutes away. My dear friend Tejas has told me that the line for the check-in is kind of huge, and it took him like a good 10 minutes 20 minutes to actually get to the room. So instead, what we're going to do, since both of us haven't had lunch, we are going to order, and it's going to reach the hotel, and that's when I'll sort of strategically reach to, and then I'll just pick up the food and I'll go straight to the room, and we can actually get to eating over there. And yeah, guys, check out this beautiful t-shirt that I got. They just actually gifted it to me because so this is actually from a really lovely anime called Fairy Tail. Fairy Tail is literally one of my favorite animes. And look, this is Greyful Buster. Greyful Buster made my audience. Audience made Greyful Buster. It's so weird, you're like talking to my chest, but okay, my eyes are up here, guys. Anyway, I will just actually while away time now, and I think I'm ready to leave actually, so I should actually leave now. Hi. Okay, so we literally, I think like there's been a big time lapse because last when you all saw me, I felt like a little dazed. I think like we legit came in and we immediately started settling down. Right? Yeah, I feel like how many times did we manage to, the hotel staff came in? Four times, right?
5-6 times.
Yeah, like once to ask if we've settled in, the second time to ask us if we needed anything, water, food, or anything. Third time they came with one bouquet of flowers, and fourth time they came with a cake, all on like very separate occasions. Like, yay!
They are too excited for us.
Yeah, they're very excited for us. But yes, so do you want to tell them where we're going?
We are going to Kofuku.
What is Kofuku? Because nobody knows what Kofuku is. So tell me what
Japanese
Kofuku
restaurant,
is.
which I'm looking forward to since like months of planning.
Yes, following the theme of a Japanese vlog. Yes, so basically, this is a place that I have been to before, and I really did like the food. Now, it's not authentic wala Japanese food, but it sort of passes by because I have seen like a couple of actual Japanese people over there. So, like, I assume that if it passes their test, then it should honestly pass, pass the Japanese test, I guess, whatever. Cool. But yes, so we're on a way. We're actually waiting for a cab which we haven't booked yet. So we're not exactly waiting for it. We're
We
waiting
have
to
to
book
book
the
it.
cab,
Yes, exactly.
which we haven't. We have a reservation at 9:30, and I don't think there was really a
We will
need.
make also.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Should
right.
make,
We didn't need to also make a reservation, to be very honest, because I feel like the max wait would be like what, a 5 minute, 10
It's a
minute
working
wait.
Monday.
It's a working Monday, but no, the thing is that you don't actually know Kofuku. It's genuinely one of those places, yeah, that it is just so brimming with life. I hope, like like proper ullu ka pattal happen if we go over there and like no one's there only. But yes, so we're looking forward to some really good sushi. It is his first time with sushi in general, with Japanese food actually in general.
I've had ramen,
So ramen, top ramen.
but shut up.
But yes, by the way, how do you like our outfits? We literally got them specifically for this
Yes,
day.
exactly.
And about a month back ago,
2 months I think.
2 months of how long has this even been planning?
6 months.
6 months is all the other Gandmasti we did, yeah. Like, this is like proper.
2 months. We had a 50-day countdown. For
Yeah,
this.
yes, a 50-day countdown, like proper preparation, and like like the side that you are facing currently is the cleaner side, because like right behind is like it's just like a spread
Which
of
I think you will
different.
show
I will show you guys. I will not hide it. But yes, so yeah, we should book
We
the
should,
cab and
yes.
get on our way
I will
because we will get
my phone
late.
from there.
Yes, so we will see you guys in the cab or at the restaurant, whichever comes later. Cool, quicker,
Yes.
sooner. Okay, come on. Yes. Oh, yes. You almost got it. Come on. Oh, come on, give it a shot. You got it. You got it.